Hi everyone, for those of you who are new here to my channel, my name is Zara, and if you want you can go check out some of my other videos, and if you see what you like definitely hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I upload new videos as well. And for all of you guys that have already been subscribed to me for a while now, welcome back to another video. Today's one is going to be a review of a teeth whitening kit. I'm especially excited about this one because it's actually based here in Sydney, Australia, which is where I live, and I wanted to review it for you guys today. So this is going to be a bit of a first impressions video. It is my first time using it because I wanted to see how convenient it would be to incorporate in my everyday life. So I'm going to do my makeup on camera for you guys today, and I'm going to try and incorporate the teeth whitening process in it as well. So the brand I'm working with today is called Jewel Teeth, and the packaging looks like this, and inside you get a little instruction manual, a little shade guide so you can see how much progress you're making with the kit, as well as the LED light that actually lightens your teeth when used with the teeth whitening gel, and the little mouth guard that you put the teeth whitening gel in. Now if you guys are, have been watching me for a few years, you know that I've tried quite a few teeth whitening processes. I've gone like in-store, I've tried at-home kits. Nothing's really worked for me so far. Like, they all have a bit of a short-term result and nothing too long-term, so I always find my teeth kind of go back to how they were before. I did have braces for a few years, and I was really bad at like thoroughly brushing my teeth for the first year that I had braces, so I think as a result my teeth have discolored quite a bit. And I also do drink a lot of coffee, a lot of soft drinks, like just a lot of food that will stain your teeth over time. So I'm looking for anything preventative, so whether it be my toothpaste or a teeth whitening kit like this that I can just incorporate, really easily into what I already do. So I'm going to take you guys just through, I guess, the specifics of everything. So first off, there is a shade guide here, so I am going to try and zoom you guys in. Apparently that's as close as we're going to get. But yeah, there is a shade guide, so you can just have a look. And let me just grab a mirror here. So I would say I'm probably a shade 8 at the moment, so I'm about halfway down the spectrum, which I guess relatively isn't too bad, but obviously I'd like to get up closer to number 1. So let's have a go here. So I thought I would pop this in first, start my makeup, and then I'll take it out. It only takes 10 minutes, which is actually the quickest routine, like teeth whitening kit I've ever come across. I'll take it out after 10 minutes, and then I hoped by the time I finish doing my makeup, because it takes me maybe 40 minutes to do a full face of makeup, I would be able to see the effects. So, shade match again. Hopefully it's taken some time to kind of absorb into my teeth. I don't really understand the science behind it. But yeah, hopefully by the time I'm done my makeup, it's had its effect and I can show you guys what shade I am at the end. So first off, I'm actually just going to go and rinse this mouth guard because obviously it's in a package, but I don't know where it's been, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with a rinsed mouth guard, and now what I am going to do, let's just double check the instructions because I'm kind of just making it up as I go. So there's only 6 steps, and one of the steps is to repeat it, repeat the process. It's best to do this 1 to 2 times a week, and overall with the 3 syringes in here, use half at a time, so you get 6 uses out of this kit, and then you can just repurchase the teeth whitening gel. You don't have to repurchase the entire thing. And then you attach your silicone tray to this like so, and then all you do is distribute 1/4 of the gel on the top and 1/4 of the gel on the bottom, and then place device in mouth for 10 minutes until the automatic timer shuts off. So I don't need to I don't need to track 10 minutes, I don't need to set a timer, it'll turn off by itself, at which point I will know to take it out. And then it's best to rinse my mouth and rinse the tray, not this, because this has a battery in it, rinse the tray after use. So I'm going to take the syringe here, going to just place 1/4 of the gel. I'm not the smartest person out, so I was squeezing it thinking it would come out through this little pointy thing. It was a cap. I was supposed to take the cap off this. Oh, okay. I will probably leave this in the video because it's good for people to know and not mess up like I did. So now that the cap is off, I will dispense 1/4 of the gel onto the mouth tray like so. Flip it around, do the same on this side. And don't worry about spreading it around, because when you put it in your mouth it'll like push against your teeth and spread out as well. Although I might just spread it out so it hits my back teeth a little bit more. But yeah, I wouldn't worry too much. It'll definitely spread out to get onto all the teeth. I'm pretty much not going to be able to talk for 10 minutes, so I might pop this in, speed up my 10 minutes of doing my makeup, and then we'll chat while I do the rest of my makeup. So first off, I would highly recommend taking that mouth guard out over the sink, because the amount of saliva that had built up in my mouth during the 10 minutes was just ridiculous. But then also it gave me the chance to rinse my mouth out and rinse the mouth guard as well at the same time. So during those 10 minutes, as you can see, you can do your eye makeup. I got a little bit of the way through. I was a little bit distracted because I was watching a show on Netflix and texting some people, but 10 minutes went by very quickly. My jaw is a tiny bit sore just from holding the mouth guard in, but maybe I was too stressed about it falling out. Maybe I don't need to be that constricted when I have it in. Initial thoughts, teeth are looking very white. I do have a lot of calcium lines on my front 4 teeth. I think they're as a result of braces, and in person these are very, very prominent right now. But that should fade with time, with like a day or two. So I won't stress out too much right now. But let's have a quick look at the shade guide, and then we'll have a look when I'm done with my makeup in about 40 minutes, just to see if there's any difference after a little bit of time. So first off, I'd probably put myself around a shade 5 right now, which is this one here. So definitely a big difference to go from shade 8 to shade 5 in 10 minutes. But yeah, let's finish off my makeup and we'll be back to kind of discuss the end results. So now that my makeup is all done, I just wanted to mention that it is best to not eat coloured foods before or after applying this teeth whitening kit for a few hours, and also brush your teeth before you apply it. I didn't really mention that I've pretty much woken up, brushed my teeth and applied the whitening kit, so I haven't had any coloured foods yet. So after it's probably been another 45 minutes since I last checked in with you guys, and so I would say I'm still a solid shade 5, so it doesn't fade after application, it still keeps its effect. I think this is a good idea if you have a night out and you just want to lighten your teeth a little bit for the photos, for a special occasion. So there are a few reasons that, aside from the fact that this teeth whitening kit is based in Sydney, that I hoped it would work really well, and that's because it actually doesn't contain any peroxide and is just completely natural ingredients, so no toxic chemicals or anything that will really harm your teeth. And obviously the fact that it only takes 10 minutes, I feel like I've used other ones that have always taken a lot longer. I mean, 10 minutes is literally me scrolling on Instagram while like laying in bed. Like it's not a lot of time at all. And another major factor for me trying out this kit is that they claim to have absolutely no pain. I mean, I've had no pain so far. They also claim that they won't make your teeth sensitive later on. So I'll definitely pop in the description box just whether or not I feel any sensitivity this evening, because in the past with some in-store teeth whitening processes, like those evenings have been like horrific with just sensitivity and just that nervy pain, and ugh. I'm really hoping I don't get that tonight, but I will let you guys know, so just check the description box for a little update on that. So yeah, obviously if you guys are interested in checking out Jewel Teeth, I'll pop their website in the description box below. Check them out on Instagram at Jewel Teeth. While you're in Instagram, check out me at Zahrah Aliyah. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this product, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If I don't know the answer, I'll message them on Instagram and see if they have an answer for you guys and let you know. But yeah, really hoping you guys see a difference over the next few weeks as I film more and more videos and use this product more often. I'm going to try and be really good. I'm thinking maybe every time I wear a face mask I'll wear this, because I tend to do face masks 1 to 2 times a week. And yeah, hopefully by Australia Day I will have pearly white teeth. Maybe I'll get to shade 1 on the shade guide here. That would be ideal. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope I covered everything off. Knowing me, as I'm editing this, I will remember things and I'll be like, forgot to tell them that. But yeah, hopefully I did cover everything off. Obviously, as you guys can see, I did change my eyeshadow to earlier in the video. I was kind of feeling like an icy colour to go with my shirt here, so I took it off and reapplied. But I did film this makeup look. It should be up after this video if you guys want to watch that as well. And yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is this one. It's a makeup tutorial of this. Okay, bye.